Welcome everyone. Once again, I welcome you all to my webinar session. This week, we will discuss on my gold mine, my 15 minutes Heikin Ashi trading strategy. But before that, I'll give a small introduction to myself. My name is Indrajit Mukherjee. I run a site called stockmaniacs.net, as well as I am an authorized marketing partner of Zerodha, the leading discount broker of India. So basically, as you know that I am doing experiments with the Zerodha platforms and AMI broker. So most of my strategies are based on these kind of platforms only. So these in this webinar also I'll show you some examples on Zerodha Pi platform. So now let us continue. Before I start the webinar, a quick guide on how you can join my team. You can directly call me at 919674321856, or you can call me at my Zerodha helpline number +919831902020. I am there for you in WhatsApp or SMS. You can give an WhatsApp message or an SMS to me at 919674321856, or you can email at my Zerodha support email number support@zerodha.club. So support@zerodha.club is the Zerodha support, Zerodha club support. So now we will continue to the webinar. So first, a quick guidance on what is Heikin Ashi candlestick. What is Heikin Ashi candlestick? So Heikin Ashi candlesticks are not normal Japanese candlesticks. Heikin Ashi candlesticks actually use the open and close data from the prior period and the open, high, low, close data from the current period to create a combo candlestick. So it is not a normal candlestick. The resulting candlestick filters out some noise in an effort to better capture the trend. In Japanese language, Heikin means average and Ashi means pace. So Heikin Ashi candlesticks, as the name suggests, that Heikin Ashi candlesticks will show you the average pace. And believe me, Heikin Ashi candlesticks are much more whipsaw free. So now I'll go to the next slide. So this is an example of Heikin Ashi candlestick. This is a screenshot of Zerodha pie chart with Heikin Ashi candlesticks on. Now, as you can see in the norm, as long as normal candlesticks, Heikin Ashi, here you can see a definite trend here. These are some doji candles. So this is an undecisive area. Once again a trend. Once again some undecisive area. Okay, and once again a trend. Undecisive area, trend, small trend, trend, undecisive, trend, undecisive. So this is how an Heikin Ashi candlestick looks like. So I'll come to the next slide. Interpretation of Heikin Ashi. Green candles display a rising trend. Green candles display a rising trend, and while red candles indicate a downtrend. So green candles display a rising trend while red candles indicate a downtrend. So now let us go back to the previous slide. I'll show you here. So green candles are rising trend and red candles are falling trend. Green candles rising trend, red candles falling trend. Strong positive trends have long green bodies with no lower shadows, while strong negative trends have long red bodies with no upper shadows. So basically you will look for a long green body with no lower shadows, or a long red body with a no upper shadow. So this is the basic idea of Heikin Ashi. When bodies become shorter a weaker trend is anticipated. So now let's once again go back to the previous slide. I'll explain it. Here you can see a long green body with no lower shadow. The trend has been started in this candle, a short green body with no lower shadow. Now after that there is a long green body with no lower shadow, and the market shoots up. Once again here a long red body with no upper shadow, market falls down. Long red body with no upper shadow, market falls down. Long red body with no upper shadow, market falls down. Long red body with no upper shadow, market falls down. Undecisive area, as you can see, there is no long candles and there are shadows both on the upper and lower side. Here also same thing. Here undecisive zone, smaller bodies and shadows on upper and lower side. So this is how you can interpret a Heikin Ashi chart. There will be some whipsaws definitely, but in case of gap ups and gap downs, you need to be very cautious. This was a gap down scenario. Okay, so gap down, a long candle can be formed, but these gap downs to be seen that whether it is breaking the low or not, or in case of a gap up, it is breaking the high of the it is breaking the high of the signal candle or not. So this is how you can trade Heikin Ashi. So basic idea of Heikin Ashi is clear. So now I'll go to the strategy. So what is my Heikin Ashi strategy? Basically this strategy can be used for intraday scalping. So if you are an intraday scalper, if you are trading Nifty, Bank Nifty, whether call puts or anything, so or even commodities, crude oil, gold, silver, copper, these anything, any commodities, any liquid commodities, this strategy is for you. This strategy can be used on any market in any liquid strips, as I already told you. I recommend Heikin Ashi charts on Zerodha Pi platform because I have seen Zerodha has made the Pi platform, and Heikin Ashi, it is one of the best Heikin Ashi I have seen. So now what is the strategy? Watch for few doji candles. Just watch for few doji candles, then watch for a big bull or a big bear candle with no lower or upper shadow. Already I have discussed this. On candle completion, go long or short according to the trend. So on candle completion, go long or short according to the trend. And where to be kept the stop loss? Keep the stop loss below or above the entry candle. If you are long, keep the stop loss below the entry candle, and if you are short, keep stop loss above the entry candle. Now what is the money management rules? How to book profit? Book 50% profit when profit equals to SL. So suppose your stop loss is 10 points. So if you are getting a 10 points profit, you book 50% profits, and in case if your stop loss hits also, you will be in a no profit no loss situation, and the rest 50% you need to trail up to till suppose you have entered on 12:15 candle. So suppose at 1:15 candle, after 1 hour, the Heikin Ashi low breaks. If you are long, the Heikin Ashi low breaks, the last candle's low breaks. So in that case you need to exit. So bar by bar you need to put your stop loss. And in case of short, whenever the bar by bar trailing, whenever the stop loss, the upper end, the high gets broken, you need to exit. I will show you an example. Here how you can enter a trade. Suppose this is a Heikin Ashi entry level. So this is your stop loss. Initial stop loss is below this candle's low. So initial target will be your stop loss. Okay. So here somewhere at this level your targets, your initial targets get hit. After that you need to continue till the means low of the last candle gets broken. So here is your complete exit. This small candle, after that it is your complete exit. Once again, in case of short, next, exit, full, short, next, exit, full, short, next, exit, full. So this is how you can actually trade Heikin Ashi. Short, next, exit, full. So I feel you have already understood the strategy. If you have not understood clearly, definitely I am available to help you. Okay, thanks a lot for joining me. You can, for any queries on this strategy, you can join me at www.zerodha.club, or you can call me at 9831902020, or you can WhatsApp me at 96743 21856. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.